Like everybody always, Alan, why your face so smooth? Let me keep it a buck.
Nigga,
All that face in the tub. You know what I'm saying? Tacos. I got. I'm gonna redo that. What's up, dude? Ayo Allen in the building, man. And I'm with Kamari and Zavi. And today we about to do this mukbang. Mukbang. How do you pronounce it? Mukbang. One of those. And we eating in the tub. Tacos, man. They got tacos. I got chili fries.
You know I got the tacos, man.
We got the tacos, the apple sticks, you know.
Apple sticks.
Apple sticks.
I'm gonna put this on apple sticks, bro.
Well, let me. I ain't never had this before. Bro said he trying to put us on. I'm about to see what
these niggas on.
I'm about to see what it looks like.
The hot sauce, they ain't messing with me, bro. I'm eating the
hot sauce.
Hey, that mug do look smack though. But we gotta answer y'all question. But I'm about to taste this first.
Yeah,
give y'all my honest opinion,
bro. Oh, you know, bro. I eat this every day.
Come on, you really not messing with this hot sauce,
bro? The hot sauce not that cool, but I ain't gonna cap with you, bro. Hey, bro, it's cool, bro. It's cool, man. It's
cool. But, you know what I'm saying? We were just chilling. I decided to make a vid today, man. What were y'all doing today?
So, doing me.
I was bored as hell, bro. Swear to God.
Chilling, man. But, we off that. But, we all put on our story. And we got a couple questions. We did swipe up for a Q&A. It sound like I'm slurring my words. But first question. This food is smack, man.
I said, it's gonna do that one. It said, Mark should say, why can't Alan get a girl, bro?
Alan, why can't you get a girl?
Bro, who said that?
What's up, bro? We ain't gonna speak on that.
We ain't gonna speak on that one, man.
But you know, but come on, man. What's up with you, bro? Yeah. Where the female is at, bro? Come on.
Which one? Nah, but all seriousness,
girls don't want to hear that.
I don't get girls, bro. I get women, bro. Grown ass ladies, man. You know, it's those girls. Huh, man? Come on, she trying to play me, man. Like, Silk K, don't forget that. Bro. What you? Dang, you could be Silk K. I don't even know where the K came from. Cause your name, first letter of your name.
Yeah.
And you got a silk on, but I was Silk K. What's your name? What's your name? You gotta be Silk something. You got the silk on now. I'll stop my way for years. Silk something.
My name's
Silk Chris in the
yeah. Chris. I feel Chris, but not Silk Chris.
Alright, Zavi, what you got?
Alright, I got a question.
Fat.
They say, are you a virgin?
Yeah.
Nope.
You didn't answer, bro.
Come on. It's a good.
What, bro?
Supposed to answer that?
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Supposed to answer that truthfully?
Yeah.
Yes.
No.
Respect.
I ain't gonna cap for the views. I'm not.
For the views.
I'm not. Be my little. Nah,
Hey, how y'all food though?
We gonna speak on that though.
How y'all food though?
Hey, I'm telling you, this the only Kansas. Some in the tub, bro.
Not chill out on cussing, bro. Damn, bro, give me demonetized. Nah, but another question. We 5 minutes in. I ain't even eating, bro.
You better eat.
I'm already done.
What do you find attractive in girls? In women? She said women.
You gotta have a fat booty first off. You know what I'm saying? First off, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
What else,
a cute face, you know what I'm saying?
Where you coming from, bro?
It's coming from me, you know what I'm saying? Cute face.
He like all the youngins, bro.
Hell no, man.
Hey, my son like all the youngins, bro. If you in the 8th grade below, bro. Tap in with it.
8th grade and below,
8th grade below, tap in with it.
Nah, this is wrong. I don't like editing.
He said, it out.
What you find attractive in women?
Me?
Yeah.
Personality though.
Yeah, that's a big one.
That's a
Cause
big
you not if she don't got
humor. I like to crack jokes.
Yeah, personality. Because if she certain personalities, I can't mess with.
I be cracking jokes. They be.
No, I don't care
Oh
if you look.
leave me alone. Why you say that?
Not really, because you gotta realize this. Like when we get haircuts, that's like our makeup, nigga. We be feeling great. We be feeling great.
But Alan,
What?
do we get a haircut every day?
Oh damn. Once every 2 weeks.
Come on, man. You gotta think, bro.
But it's still like I don't knock makeup unless you like
Unless you put too much on.
too much on.
Too much.
You gotta embrace your face. Like everybody always, Alan, why your face so smooth? Let me keep it a buck.
Nigga, nobody
All that
asking
face,
you that.
all that face wash. Don't be using that every day. That's what break your face out. Obviously, if it ain't work. Like,
Oh God.
or my skin ain't perfect, but man, just get a hot. I'm talking about hot towel, steaming towel. Put that on your face.
It's not every
Every
night.
day.
Oh, it's not every night. Every other night, at least. Goddamn.
Yeah, but do you want children? I say yeah.
Yeah. Why not?
I want a boy first.
I want a boy. If I have a girl, bro, I can't though. Bro.
Hey, our generation now crazy, bro.
Yeah.
Y'all niggas tripping.
I
So
swear
you
if
ain't gonna
I
have no
ever,
kids?
I swear if I
Nigga,
ever.
nigga, when I'm like 40 something.
40?
That's too
Fuck
old.
yeah, bro.
Heck no, you definitely not gonna be able to catch up with her.
I
He,
don't know, nigga. I'm not finna.
if she out there slanging, or he out there slanging,
slanging.
you know what I'm saying?
That's like.
You gonna be old on your.
Last.
You 50, yeah.
Yeah, he gonna be on your last.
Yeah.
21, 50. Nah. I'll say like late 20s.
Like 20.
Yeah.
Late 20s. Late 20s. 28, 29. Hit that 30.
Oh, you want one, bro?
Not right now.
You gotta try one, bro.
Apple sticks, man.
You out there like that, though.
Bro.
I put it right here, nigga. Stop crying, bro.
Oh, bust him.
Oh, really?
Bro, why am I so dark, man? Alright.
Oh, you gonna have to edit that whole thing out. What other questions are there? Hold on.
I can edit it out. Alright, another question somebody asked. Body count. To be honest with you, 0.
Zero?
Zero for real,
Real
bro.
talk.
0?
Yeah.
That's your final answer?
0?
Nigga, you asked me like this is a TV show game. What your answer? What's yours?
1?
Respect.
Man.
What's my man's hobby?
Yeah.
What's yours?
Hey, hell
Yours is
no.
1?
Cuz cat.
He capped.
You cat.
He capping.
You cat.
He capping.
I see. I can smell the cat, my nigga.
Cap.
So this shit on. Damn.
No, they don't. What don't you? What don't you? Hey, I can't read. Probably. I'm thinking it's a mug. It's only a mukbang.
You start on it tonight. Hey.
It's full of fire, though.
It's straight. Let me try one of these.
Try one. I already had 3, so
Let me get
that's
a bite of
cool.
them.
Hey, these are
Fries,
cinnamon
bro.
sticks,
Let me
my
get
guy.
them fries.
You want some of my fries?
Yeah.
Who said you can ask?
I asked.
Let me see what these.
Hey, bro.
Oh shit! I'm finna double dip on God.
Can double dip. Oh. Hey, no, but
Hey man.
I'm at.
Oh.
Hey. Girl was messing with me in the drive-thru. You can't even say that. I'm black. But I'm really light skinned.
Got that hat on.
Cause, but I don't got no cut.
But I don't got no cut, but I got the do-rag on. Shit, the do-rag on.
Still can't see me.
Shit, the do-rag on. You gotta lean back.
Whoa! But I think that's the end of the video, man. So like,
No, don't do that, Ian. Don't. I was throwing gang signs up and shit. Do it right now.
that's the end of the video, man. Like, comment, subscribe. My bros' social medias will be in the description down below. Hey, yo, Allen coming with you with another banger. Make sure you like the vid, man. If I made you laugh, if you thought this was entertaining, if I'm black, like the video. You darker than me. You really are, bro. No cap.
Just look.
No cap.
I'm the lightest nigga here, bro.
But alright, see y'all later.